Hey folks, welcome to Bell CB. Got a DX-99V2 today. We're going to do a modification, or we did the modification, RFX 95. This is for Joel in Louisiana. It's a tune-up report. The DX-99 with an RFX 95. Okay, starting with this, we put a switch on all of these. We put a switch in the back here to turn that amplifier off. So let's take a look at what the radio does by itself. Right up here, 10 watt scale. Audio. Almost no dead key, turned all the way down. Tried to give it some, but it only has so much range. Up to 2.5 all the way up. That's meter, 50 watt scale, in the middle right there, that's 45. Audio, check, audio. Okay. And on sideband, let me turn that off. Audio, check, audio. She's at about 18 there. So, some reduced values for the amplifier to keep it clean. Alright, now let's turn it on the back of there. We'll turn the power down again. And back to AM. Okay. Turn the right one this time, dummy. Audio check. Then we'll turn the amp on. Yeah, turn the right knob. Okay, amplifier on. All the way down. Doesn't really kick into the amp, so it's still 2. And then all the way up. Next scale up goes up to about 20, 21. And then on this scale, I had to put a 100 watt slug in on the peak reader. You're reading it on the bottom there. Audio. About 90, 92. And here's your sideband. Audio. About 82. Audio. Check. Audio. And here's the AM signal. Audio, check. Audio. Alright. What else I want to show you? Just that it receives, I guess. Anybody out here today? Hey, screwdriver up here, Bell CB, hello?
I already got sand, man. Hillsboro in 95.
Oh, 10-4.
Sounding good, loud and proud.
Morning, Floppy.
I got Floppy there. Who is it? Anybody out there?
I said, anybody out there, hello, come in.
Who is it? The guy up north of Boca?
Screwdriver, Bell CB, check.
Oh, screwdriver. Mr. Tom waving.
10-4, Mr. Tom, waving right back.
Screwdriver.
Hey, Floppy, waving, buddy.
Don't have a good one over there.
You too, bye-bye.
Sounding good in Deerfield, screwdriver.
10-4 in the Deerfield, we appreciate it.